She's a clown. Me, living my everyday life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Thank you guys for joining me on the 31 days of Halloween. I am your Hallow Queen, Bree. Welcome. My pink hair. Get your butt back in there. You're not invited. Today, let me scoot you out. Today we are doing this little devil clown. Because truly, clowns are the devil. So jump on in, grab a snack, grab all of your supplies. So I will show you step by step how to do everything that you see here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's jump on into it. All right, spooky people, let's get to getting. I'm gonna be using my favorite foundation fish brush to be putting LA Girl Pro Conceal. No, just kidding. LA Girl Pro Matte. I always mess up on saying that name. LA Girl Pro Matte in the color Natural around the perimeter of my face. And the only reason that I know perimeter is a word is because I paid attention in math class. Kind of. Maybe science. Maybe. Was it an English vocab word? I don't know. Anyway, so I'm going to be putting that around the perimeter. We're going to be painting the inside of our face white, so you really don't have to worry about that. Save your product, hunty. Now, taking my beauty sponge and some white face paint, I'm going to be making the center of my face white. Also, I highly apologize for all the bubblegum smacking. I literally just did violet before I did this, so I still had gum in my mouth. Apologies. Oh no, I didn't, because my hair is still pink. Why do I have gum? Now, I'm leaving this super long because I really want you to know that applying face paint doesn't just take a minute. Like, it really is just a pain in the booty, and you have to apply and blend and apply and blend and apply and blend until it is the opacity that you are looking for. Now I'm taking setting spray and popping that on because I want to have as much staying power as I can possibly get. I'm just patting that in. I noticed it took a little bit off my forehead, so I'm re-adding that. Now I'm taking my LA Girl foundation, what is the word? What are words? My LA Girl powder. It's a translucent HD powder. This is going to have some flashback, so if you're like taking pictures with a flash and wanting to set your under eye, definitely don't recommend, but it's great for this. Now I'm going to take my favorite eyeliner, the dual-ended IOU plus line plus... What are words? This is going to be the best voiceover, and I'm not editing any of it out. It's terrible. So I'm drawing some cartoon eyebrows on my face to make this look really fun and spooky. If you've seen the show Lazy Town, you're going for like Robbie Rotten eyebrow shape. and just filling that in. I'm using the bigger end of my eyeliner. If you can see, I'm not doing big lines, I'm doing small strokes, and that's kind of the tip for all eyeliner application, is you don't necessarily really ever want to be doing full big strokes. Little tiny strokes are gonna generally be the best. Now I'm doing my second brow, and I want this to be about the same shape, but I want to make them match a little bit, so drawing this one is a little hard. I flipped it over to the smaller end to get that point just right. And now we finish this brow off of the out of frame because I'm the freaking worst. I just cut out all of that out of frame stuff, but I basically just did the same thing. I just put a tail on, and now I'm drawing it so it's arched, and I'm kind of working against my eyebrow hairs, so it's a little bit difficult, and now I'm gonna fill it in. And I messed up. But the show must go on. Now I'm taking white body paint and fixing my mess up. I'm also arching them and really defining the whole eyebrow, basically cutting the brow. Snatched. Ooh. All right. Now I'm going to be outlining my lips, and I made a really fun TikTok, so if you haven't followed my TikTok already, go follow my TikTok. It's a trend on TikTok called the We Challenge. How many times did I just say TikTok? Wow. Bonjour, messieurs. I don't know what it is about the bottom of my lip, but it is always like jaggedy when I do my lower lip. Now I'm just making a little bit of a smile. Ooh. And sticking my tongue out like usual. Itchy itch. And now I'm drawing inside the lip to make a little bit of definition. Even though the red is so opaque, it doesn't even matter. So now I'm applying my red lipstick. My camera stopped recording, so I just turned it back on again. That side went well, for the most part. And now it's getting worse. I'm making it worse. Messed up, and messing up. And I'm messing up again. And now I'm getting mad at myself for messing up. And now I'm taking that all off. Reapplying the white body paint with my beauty sponge. All right, let's give this lip another go. I think I decided that I was gonna go a little bit smaller to try to keep everything less crazy looking, even though this is a clown. Much happier with this lip shape, and it was a lot easier to do. Again, guys, sometimes you just have to like take off your makeup and kind of restart and try again, and it's okay, it happens. Now into the Remember Me palette, I am of course going into Noir because I can't stop going into Noir because it's my favorite. And I'm applying that all over my ibu and below my ibu. Now, I'm taking that down on kind of the side, but still the middle of my eye, and I'm making a cross. I'm making another cross on the bridge of my nose, and another cross next to my mouth. Now I'm taking Lovesick on a blendy, but kind of still smaller pencil brush, and I'm buffing that out into Noir. Now I'm taking the Love Spell and putting those over the crosses that I put in Noir. Now take the brush you applied Noir with and blend Love Spell and Noir into each other until they're filth. Now taking your IOU Line Plus eyeliner, draw some really sketchy marks and crosses into your crosses. Put on some mascara. I'm using the More to Love. Of course, I'm so in love with this mascara right now. Now I'm taking Noir and adding a little red button nose. Put on a wig and you're a creepy clown. All right, so that is the look, my little goblins. Let's get a closer look at her. Kind of love it. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with everything. That's an issue. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. If you need to get any of the products, it is all in the description below. And please follow me on all of my socials. We are on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everything. LinkedIn. Follow me on LinkedIn. I don't know. Friend me, connect with me on LinkedIn. We make videos and content on the daily. So thank you so much for stopping by to see me transform into a creepy ass clown. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Why do I look at the monitor? You should just expect it by now. Truly though, this lip shape is like giving me life. Always. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye! Ah!
Perfect.
Do we love? Okay. Ugh.